Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。我们通常讲心情，因为我们这个月都在讲心情嘛，对不对？就会想到喜怒哀乐，对不对？可是喜怒哀乐里面其实有一个心情没有包括在里面，它是怕。Yeah, when I'm afraid of something, I'm scared of something, I'm fearful of something， 这是一种心情嘛，对不对？Yeah, so today let's talk about this because 我们到底人生当中有怕什么？你有没有什么东西特别怕的？
怕什么？
怕老鼠啊、蟑螂这种东西应该有吧？还是
不会耶
Alice 是什么东西都不怕？
不过你说老鼠跟蟑螂，我还真打过。
哎，真的哦。Alice is not afraid of these things, okay? Because today we're going to teach people on how to express your feelings of being scared, being fearful, or afraid of things. And I asked her if she's afraid of ghosts or maybe cockroaches or rats. She's like, no, I kill them all.
我只怕那种突然来一下的吓我一大跳。
哦，那种刻意的那种。
对。
OK， 哎，那就教这个啊。哎呀，吓我一大跳。有些人会很喜欢恶作剧啊。Some people like to play a prank, right? They hide around the corner and go, woo! 然后就被吓到了。
那就会讲，爱吓一哈。
爱哈一哈。被吓一跳 ，OK， that means you scared me 那样子，你吓我一大跳嘛 ，right？ OK， 但是有的时候真的是我怕蟑螂，
爱姜，蟒
蟒就蟑螂吗？
对啊。
哎呀，讨厌的蟒蟀，蟒蟀。
那海陆腔也不一样哦，发音 ，k 惨了
跟蟒蟀。
对
哦，反正听到叉就差不多是蟑螂了。OK， or maybe you're afraid of the rat。有些人很怕老鼠，那老鼠怎么说？
老鼠。
Oh, 老鼠。Okay, that's a rat. And some people are afraid of other things, not in a real form. Like some people are afraid of heights. 所以说我怕高怎么说？
爱姜高。
哦，爱姜高，高就是高 tall heights. All right, I'm afraid of it. Or 你看到鬼也惊的，我怕鬼啊！
哎呦，爱姜鬼
啊，鬼啊，真的是鬼哦，一模一样啊！爱姜鬼，
然后还要颤抖一下，
鬼，
爱姜鬼。
OK， 有的时候有人会说，你知道年轻人喜欢说阿飘，
现在年轻人就会讲这个，
可以吗？
那我们可以啊，就给他直翻好了，阿飘。
好可爱哦，阿飘。There you go. That's a different way of saying ghost these days by youngsters. Well, I guess that's all the time we have for today's Practical Hakka.
什么台嘎？
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.